Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to tell you the activities of chapter number 2 of Adventures of the Tom Sawyer, and the name of the chapter number 2 is Huckleberry Finn. It is written by Mark Twain. Actually, I was searching the question and answers of these chapters on YouTube channel or even on Google as well, so I didn't get it. So I feel myself that it is necessary to be on internet to make it easier for others as well, because I was also getting in trouble when I was searching question answers of this chapter. So I am going to tell you what are the questions and what are the answer of those questions. So let me start with my first slide. So the first activity is what? In the first activity, what you have to do, you have to find out the meaning of the words which are given in the question in the, for example, in the activity section of chapter number 2 in the book. So what we have to do, we have to match those words with that meaning. It means synonyms. So these are the words here, and I wrote down synonyms in front of those words, and these are the meanings according into the context of the story. So I matched it accordingly. So the meaning of the dreaded is felt anxious and unhappy. A refuge meaning is a place where you go for safety and protection. What is the meaning of attempt to try to do something? Throne, decorated chair of a king or queen. Teacher's chair in this context, it means that it is the meaning of teacher's chair when this word is used in this story or in this chapter. A scrawl meaning is to write in a careless and untidy way. Consent meaning is to give permission to do something. So I am moving towards the next slide. And what is the next slides? Let me tell you. Here is another activity in which what we have to do, we have to write the synonyms of the words which we have given in the activity in the book. So what are the words? Let me tell you, and how can I attach it, and how can I match it. So the words are that, what, precious, sympathy, revealed, what, curiosity, and timidly. It is matched according to the synonyms, which and you can say the meaning which are appropriate according to the chapter or according to the story. So what is the synonym of the precious? Is valuable. Sympathy is understanding. Revealed is visible. What, slumps. Curiosity, eagerness. Timidly, cautiously. So I am moving towards the next slide. And what is this? Now what we have to do, we have to make sentences. We have to arrange the words into its correct order. For example, the first line was given to me that always was Huckleberry in dressed rags. So I have to arrange these words in a sentence to make a proper sentence. And these are the words which are already in the chapter. So it is not a difficult task to arrange it. So for example, first I have to take it, Huckleberry was always. Second one will be was. Third one is always. And the fourth one is dressed. Fifth one in, and the final one is the rags. So Huckleberry was always dressed in rags. The next sentence and the sentence which we have to make it in order. Don't around Sunday devils on move up. So what is the arranged sentence of this? Devils don't move around on a Sunday. It is according to the context of the story. So new, yes, you, and back, get a if you chance. So what you have to do, you have to arrange it in a sentence. Yes, and you mew back if you get a chance. So fourth one is stop or talk to I Huckleberry Finn with. So I stopped to talk with Huckleberry Finn. It is said by Tom. He has given the excuse to his master. Next sentence is what? Must you punish be? You must be punished. The correct order of the sentence is this. And the last one is sixth one is the last one. Go with sir now and girls the sit. Now sir go and sit with the girls. So these were the sentences. It is already given in the chapter. So it is according to the context. So I have arranged it in a order. I'm moving towards to the next slide, and in the next slide, which character? So some sentences are dialogues are given in this question, and we have to tell them who said to whom. So the question is, who speaks these words and to whom, when and where, which I have already told you. So the first sentence is, my heel is pretty stiff. So Tom Sawyer spoke these words to Huckleberry on the village street. Second one, you did what? The master spoke these words to Tom Sawyer in his school. The third one, let me see it. Becky Thatcher said these words to Tom Sawyer in the school. Fourth one, have you ever been to a circus? Tom asked these words to Becky Thatcher in the school. So these are some sentences or the dialogues which were in the story. So I wrote these answers over here, so it will be convenient or easy to understand for you guys. So I'm moving towards the next slide, and the question is, did you understand? So these are some short question answers over here. So I will tell you the answers of the questions. The first question is, why did Tom feel miserable on Monday morning? So the answer will be, Tom felt miserable on Monday morning because he did not like to go to school, because he was very careless boy. Question number 2 is, who was Huckleberry Finn? Huckleberry Finn was a friend of the Tom. Tom likes to spend time with him, and you can write the answer will be like this. Huckleberry Finn was an orphan and he looked after himself. And if you want to add something more, so you can also write it down, was hated and dreaded by all the mothers of the town of St. Petersburg because he was idle, lawless, vulgar and bad, and because all their children admired him so and delighted in his forbidden society and wished they dared to be like him. But Tom liked to play with him, and Tom Sawyer wants to spend time with Huckleberry Finn. It's up to you, because these are the short question answers. So I wrote a single sentence over it. Huckleberry Finn was an orphan and he looked after himself. And if you want to add more sentences, so you can add it. The next question is, what stopped Tom from lying in the school? So I wrote the answer of this question is that Tom Sawyer stopped from lying in the school because he saw a girl having yellow hair, so he liked her and he found a vacant seat on the girl's side. As a matter of fact, he did not lie to his master. Did you understand? Continue. So there is another question in this part. So I'm sharing you. Question number 4, how was Tom punished? So master punished Tom Sawyer by beating him with a stick until his stick broke into two. And if you want to add more things, so you can add it. Then for the punishment, he sent him to sit on the girl's side, because there was only one seat vacant. So if you want to add it, you can add it, but it is the short question answer. So I think this answer is enough. So the next question is, did Tom like sitting next to a girl? So according to the story, what I feel that Tom liked sitting next to a girl as he was looking at her. And the next question is, what he was feeling ashamed at that time because everyone was watching him and making a laughter over him. But after that, he started to glare a glance on a girl. So the next question is, what did Tom draw? Tom drew a house with smoke pouring out of the chimney. So, and what is the next question? Question number 7. Who gripped Tom close on his ear? When Tom Sawyer was talking to a girl, so his ear was gripped by someone. Who gripped his ears? So master gripped Tom close on his ear. So you can write it this way. It's up to you. If you want to change the answers form, so you can change it as well. Hope you understand it. Further questions were also there. So how did Huckleberry cure warts? So it is given in the chapter as well. Huckleberry cured warts to take the cat, because Huckleberry told these things, told the cure of warts to the Tom Sawyer. Huckleberry cured warts to take the cat and get in the graveyard about midnight, where somebody that was wicked has been buried, and when it's midnight a devil will come, or perhaps two or three, and when they are taking that fellow away, he will throw his cat after them and say that devil follow body, cat follow devil, warts follow cat. He is done with them, it will cure warts. So I am moving towards question number 2. Should Tom have been punished for not lying in the school? Give reasons for your answer. So Tom was not punished for not lying in the school, but he was punished for giving unreasonable confession. According to the master said that he did not listen this kind of reason ever for coming late in the school. So according to him, it is not a big reason or big confession for not coming school on the time. So according to me, the answer is valid according to the chapter as well. Now question number 3, give a new title to the chapter. According to, after a long search and studying the chapter completely, so I think the suitable title, new title for the chapter can be racial description. You can also say that racism was also found there, so you can give the title of the chapter is that it can be racism, or you can also write racial discrimination. So uh, for uh, for this chapter, I hopefully you can understand the answers, and it hopefully it will be helpful for you. So I will strongly recommend you to watch this video to understand this chapter, and you can write your answers in your own words as well, but it will be helpful for you a lot. Hope so. So thank you. Thank you for today. Goodbye. Bye bye.